Ito yung mga Hot Wheels na loose, na you have to decide so quick. Ito yung mga pinopost nila online na hindi mo na kailangan makita yung pangalan. Diretso mind ka na lang. Kasi, once it's gone, my dear friends. So, I started collecting loose because of this. Kailangang mapuno to and may bago tayong concept yan. Maybe, dagdag bawas tayo dyan. Pero heto na yon. Minain ko to kasi nga may star siya. Maganda yung casting. Binili natin siya ng 100 pesos only. Tignan natin yung pangalan. Not a Hot Wheels. I might give it away. It's a Matchbox coming from Mattel. Ganda talaga ng mga fantasy, no? It's called Erkenstein Rod. Maganda yung itsura niya. Minain ko kaagad kasi baka mabili siya kaagad. So, ayun po, at least meron na tayo. Another fantasy. This is Roll Cage. Wala lang, nagandahan lang ako sa kanyang casting. Pang off-road yung datingan. And I'm very sure na may ganito talagang car in reality. Kasi kung wala, paano mo ma-enjoy ang buhay mo? Do you remember this treasure hunt? Meron na tayong dalawa. Medyo old na siya eh. Ayan o. Nagandahan din ako. Na-appreciate ko yung Bone Shaker sa fantasy. Time to open this one and let's see what we have. Kasi nga, hindi naman maliit yung gastos natin dito. Hindi nyo lang alam, I've been collecting Chevy trucks na carded. Pero, eto, sabi ko mukhang Chevy to eh. Either Chevy or Ford. Pero yun nga, different date lang. Ito nakalagay 52 Chevy. I think it's the last 52 Chevy. Kasi wala na silang ni-release after that. 2024 po ito. Ang ganda lang ng kanyang casting. White paint job, white tires. Nice combination. At saka nagandahan din ako dito. This is the Volkswagen pahabag. Maganda yung kanyang itsura. Kung titignan nyo, oh, harapan, ayan yung gilid, and meron pa siyang gamit dito sa taas. And I think this is for towing. I'm not 100% sure or if it's the exhaust. Ang ganda lang ng itsura niya. That's why I bought it. So 54 ang kanyang number. This is the 67 Austin minivan. Nagandahan lang din ako sa paint job and alam niyo naman ako, mahilig ako sa classic. Classic looking, may chrome siya dito na bumper and nung kanyang wheels maganda din yung pagkakayari. That's so I bought it. Mura siya nung pinost and it's loose so okay lang. Hindi naman yung tipong super favorite natin na carded talaga pero the classic styling, that's why it caught my eye. And naniniwala ako na kapag mahal mo, pakawalan mo, well, nung pinakawalan natin, ayan, bumalik, loose nga lang. This is the Jeep Wagoneer. Fan din ako ng Jeep Cherokee to be quite honest kasi ang ganda ng styling niya. Old school pero para sa akin, the paint job on a Jeep Wagoneer, panalong panalo. Buksan na rin natin. Mukhang taga LBC nagbalot nito eh. Hindi ko naman pina-LBC to. Minit up ko yung seller pero yung pagkakapacking ang ayos eh. My dear fans! Simulan natin dito. I'm so happy. So, this is a Matchbox. Okay lang. It's still coming off from Mattel. I picked it kasi ang ganda ng kanyang itsura. Almost realistic. And this is the custom 95 Chevy van. Wala lang. Ang ganda lang. Ano? Sa tingin ko, nung minain ko to, I like the body of anything Dodge. And this is the 69 Dodge Charger, my dear friends. The black paint and the yellow stripes para sa akin panalo. And kung titignan nyo rin yung kanyang interior, may additional detailing siya, my dear friends. That's why I like it. And the wheels, ang ganda. That's why I picked it. And ito yung sinasabi nilang mahal na loose, pero minayin ko pa rin kasi nga maganda siya. And just in case, yun nga, pabilisan kasi talaga ang pag-mine sa car na ganito. Once it's posted, when it's gone, it's gone. Masaya lang ako nung binili ko ito. This is the Dodge SRT10 ACR. I think this is their newest version. I'm not very sure. Nung minayin ko siya, akala ko Zamac kasi nga mukha. And you cannot deny, malalike mo talaga anything GM or anything Ford kasi either classic yung mabibili mo or otherwise fast-looking car. And this is one of the oldest car that I bought as a loose. This is the 1970 Chevy Chevelle SS. Year 2004 tong model na to. And they started 1998, so medyo matagal-tagal na rin sila. And I wanna keep it. It looks classic and muscle. So I finally found the oldest loose that I bought. And ito yun, Chevy Chevelle pa rin. Dalawa na yung Chevy Chevelle ko. This is the 2004 and the other one is the 2003. These two are made in China. So, as in case. Usually, Malaysia, Thailand sila, di ba? Pagdating sa kanyang windshield and interior, mas maganda ito. But this one, not bad. Look at the white interior. Ito yung mga dahilan na masasabi ko talaga sa anak ko na one day, when it gets old, magugustuhan mo siya and ma-appreciate mo siya kasi magiging classic talaga siya. It's a 70 Chevelle SS Wagon. Maganda sa kanya, the styling, and of course, the paint job. Wala akong gaanong green na Hot Wheels to be quite honest, pero kapag nakita mo tong green na to, ang ganda. And the front wheel is different from the rear wheel. Last but not the least, this is the Custom 64 Ford Galaxy. And the year model of this car is 2009. Looks old as well, older even than my car. Tanda talaga siya, napagdaanan na ng panahon and I'm happy that I have them all. By the way, nung binili ko to lahat, kasama po ito. Ayan, yan yung for free nila and I'm gonna give it to my son. Anyway, what do you think, my dear friends? Is it a nice lineup? And sana kasya sila dito.